Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 upgrade error, which is the installation failed in the Safe OS phase with an error during replicate OC operation, and the error code 0x800701F-0x20006. This error mainly because of outdated drivers are installed on your Windows 7 or Windows 8, and if you try to upgrade to Windows 10, these drivers might not be compatible with Windows 10 and you will get this error. So let me show you how to fix this error. For that, first you have to install older version of Windows 10, and once the older version of Windows 10 got installed, then you can download and install latest version on it. Why I am saying to install older version? Because of there is less chance for driver compatibility issue. So let me show you how to download and install older version of Windows 10. For that, first you have to check your system type, and for that just go to system properties, and there you can see system type. For my case it is 64-bit operating system, so you have to check your system type. After that, open web browser and go to this web link. The link is mentioned in video description, and if it is 32-bit system type, then open this folder and download this ISO, and if it is 64-bit system type, then open this folder and download 64-bit ISO. So I already downloaded this files on my computer, you can see here. So for my case it is 64-bit, so I have to extract this file to my computer, but I cannot see any extract option because of there is no Winrar software. For extracting the ISO file to your computer, you have to download and install Winrar software on your Windows 7 computer. For that, just open web browser and search for Winrar, hit enter, and there you can see winrar.com web link. Just click on it, and right side you can see download Winrar. Just click on it, and below also again you can see download. Just click on it. Now you can see Winrar is downloading. Now the download is completed. For installation, just click on open. Click on install. OK. Done. Now the Winrar is installed on your Windows 7 PC. Now extract Windows 10 ISO on your Windows 7 computer. For that, just go to the download folder and select the ISO file. For me it's 64-bit, so right click on it and click on extract. Now the file is started extracting. Now the extraction is completed. You can see the folder here. If you open, you can see all the Windows 10 setup files here. Now install Windows 10 setup file on your Windows 7 computer using ISO. For that, just right click on the setup file and click run as administrator. Now you can see the setup is started installation. Now you can see the Windows 10 setup window is open. Now you can just click next and you can continue the installation, and you will get installed Windows 10 without any error. Now let us see how to download and install latest version of Windows 10 on your installed older version of Windows 10. For that, just open web browser on your Windows 10 computer and search for Windows 10 download. Hit enter, and below you can see download Windows 10 disk image link. Just click on it, and it's open the Microsoft.com website. Below you can see create Windows 10 installation media. Click on download now. Now the media creation tool is downloaded. For installation, just click and open. Click yes, and the Windows 10 setup window is opened, and you can continue the installation. It's a normal installation. Just you can continue, and you won't get that error again, which is the installation failed in the safe OS phase with an error during the replicate OC operation, and the error code 0x800701F-0x20006. So you can continue the installation. You won't get that error again. Click accept, and you can continue the installation. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.